Welcome to Dark Tech. If your high-end computer isn't working because the graphics card is dead, we offer expert repair services for all graphic card issues at the most affordable rates, ensuring high-quality solutions to restore your graphics performance efficiently and reliably. Where our goal is to save you money by repairing your existing graphics card instead of replacing it, especially given the high cost of a new one at around 80,000 rupees. Our company offers convenient doorstep PC repair services, ensuring your computer issues are resolved quickly and efficiently without the need to visit a service center. Our skilled technicians come to your location, diagnose problems, and perform necessary repairs on-site. Our dedicated team of experts is ready to resolve all your computer-related problems. We guarantee no hidden charges and prioritize the protection of your personal information. For assistance, please contact us today.